So Peanut is getting to know the neighbors and getting to know the campsite. And Danny here is a cat whisperer too, so he's whispering to P. And we have two adorable little dogs here who are really good with cats. They're playing, they're having fun. So yes, Peanut's in really good hands right now. Hello everyone, I'm here with Cole, one of my neighbors who has so generously offered to help me remove the seats that are in the back of the van. So you can see how big that compartment is.
And pull these things out and have a lot of room.
Yeah. So Cole and his wife, you want to say a little bit about you guys?
We are full-time on the road, and my wife is a travel nurse, and I stay at home and keep the kids and teach them and keep everything up to date and do all the cooking and cleaning and all that fun stuff.
Awesome.
And we've been doing it for about 7 months, and it's been pretty great.
Yeah. What are the other places you've been to so far?
We were in Georgia, and we were in Albany, Georgia, and then we were in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And then we stopped a couple little places in between there just for like weekends and whatnot. But
that was more recreational, not for work. Okay.
Yeah, those were our big spots where we stopped for work.
So how long are you going to be here in Exeter?
We'll be here until September 12th.
Awesome.
September 12th.
So, and then you'll figure out or decide where to go next, or is that decided yet?
Then it's off to Ireland, and then when we come back from Ireland, hopefully we'll know where we're going to next. But yeah, it's
awesome.
Like 2 weeks before we leave here is when we'll probably start to figure out where we're going to go and
yeah,
all that. So it's nice.
So this is the process of taking these seats out, and I am just so surprised at how easy it is. So once he gets all the bolts out, he said they are very heavy, so I know for a fact I won't be able to lift these because he's a young guy and you can see he's putting some muscle into it.
Here we go.
But there we go. There's a huge storage trunk. That is like the most amazing thing. Oh, careful.
Oh, that's big storage.
Yes, it is. So here is my new table for inside the van, and Cole here is just brilliant with doing build outs.
Art studio side.
Art studio side with these really cool latches that lock in place. And then the other side,
kitchen side over here,
is my cooking side. So this is the cooking side, and the refrigerator is going to be
right there
over here beside it. So I've got a little refrigerator that's going to be shipped, so that will be my refrigerator side, so I can get to everything from the inside or the outside of the van. Maestro, thank you.
No worries.
So Cole and his wife Tisha are some of the people that I was saying in my video from last time on YouTube, that people in this are like a community and they help one another and all. And so they've been here with me to cheer me on, give me some really good advice because they've been doing a while. I think you'll meet, if you haven't posted the video yet, you'll meet Danny and Lily, and they've been on the road for 7 years. So they have a lot of wisdom to share with me also. So this is very exciting for me today. I've been going through ice like crazy because it's been in the 80s. And when I started doing the math, I realized that it's cheaper for me to buy a refrigerator and a battery pack and some solar panels, and all of that will pay for itself in 3 months, just from the purchasing of ice. So, you know, it'll be able to use to charge my computer should I be in remote areas, to power lights, power fans, to power a heater if it gets really cold. So, yeah, I'm doing it, y'all. I'm doing it. It's for real. See ya. This is camp. It's pretty cool. There's laughter everywhere you go. People are having such a wonderful time. And these are my newfound friends who have bailed me out more than once already. And they are here for the entire summer. He is a musician, as you can hear. And she is like another soul sister. Thank you. There you go.
Okay. So I would say that my biggest piece of advice for people who are just started deciding to live this kind of lifestyle where you just kind of take your life in your own hands. Don't be afraid to ask people for help. Don't be afraid to talk to people. Don't be afraid to connect with people. Connecting with people is very important to live this kind of life positively and healthily, because to live this life positively and in full health and happily, connect with people. Take any chance you get to connect with anybody you talk to. Hold the door open with someone. You're very welcome, sir. Those little moments of just connecting with someone, really, that'll change everything. It's very important.
Thank you for that advice.
Yeah, of course.
How long have you been on the road?
About 8 years now, since 2014.
Okay.
Yeah, 8 years.
So that is experience speaking right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Connect with people. Talk to everyone, because the thing about people I've learned is everyone's got a story. Yeah, everyone's got a story, and everyone wants to tell you their story. All right, everyone wants to tell you their story, and they want to be heard. They want to be understood. And even in small moments, they can tell when someone's listening, and they will just share with you, take it all in, and then share you with them. And you never know what's going to come.
Thank you.
Connect with people, yeah.
The adventure cat discovers water. What did you see, huh? Something interesting?